Welcome my friends at Easy International Recipes. Today we are making chicken, a perfect recipe for the parties. One whole big chicken or turkey. The method I use for this chicken is just the same as for a turkey. So watch the video till the end, so as not to miss any important steps. After washing the chicken, pat it dry. Loosen the skin. Sea salt. Rub the chicken well all over with sea salt. One pack of soft butter. One half tablespoon thyme. 1/2 tablespoon rosemary. 1/2 tablespoon kijun. 1/2 tablespoon paprika powder. 1 tablespoon exotic or chicken seasoning. 1 tablespoon oregano. 1 tablespoon parsley. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 lemon juice. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. It's free and this is how you help this channel to grow. Thank you. Rub the chicken all over with the butter mix. Sprinkle some extra rosemary and thyme over the chicken. 1 onion. One leek. Four carrots. For stalks celery. We use the last piece of celery separately. 1/2 lemon. Last piece of celery. One red onion. Tie the legs with an elastic. One liter chicken broth. Bake the chicken in the oven, 180 degrees for 1 hour. Melt another half of the butter with the remaining butter mix. Cheesecloth. Here's the trick. By using a cheesecloth, will not only makes the chicken crispy on the outside, but also juicy on the inside. After 1 hour, add the cheesecloth. Bake another 40 minutes at 200 degrees. Add sauce on the cheesecloth. And 20 minutes to 100 degrees. Wow, amazing! The chicken smells delicious and looks tasty. Add some sauce from the roasting pan. And add cranberry sauce on top of it. The chicken meat is super soft. And melts on your tongue. Thank you for watching.